How to remove cloud icon from Appstore Apps in iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove cloud icon from Appstore Apps on your iPhone. If you have previously downloaded the app on your iPhone, you will be able to see the cloud icon instead of get or download icon. In order to remove that, you need to head over to your App Store. Once you're in your App Store, you need to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on purchased option. Now, you need to go ahead and select not on this iPhone. Now, for an example, let me show you. For DeepSeek AI Assistant, you can simply swipe right and here you can see the hide option. You need to simply go ahead and tap on hide. You need to simply go ahead and search for the same application here, DeepSeek. And once you have done that, you can see the get icon instead of cloud icon right next to it. And that's it. You now know how to remove cloud icon from App Store apps on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.